we just tied it up. We're out here at Chicago United.
Hey, what's up, man? If you ain't here, you miss it
Oh, look at that. Who's out here? Who else is here?
What up, y'all?
Wait, no. Yeah.
Happy 4th of July ride. If you ain't here, you ain't near. Get the fuck out of here with your fear. You know?
Soul is here too. Soul is here. Come on. What is that, a duck?
Love it.
Hey, come here. Look at that. All right, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Woo! Yeah, right here. Chicago United, right here. There's Amanda. How you doing, Amanda? Oh, good. It's gonna be hell of a ride today. Hell of a ride. Look at the bikers. They're still coming in. It's crazy. It is going to be crazy. Mike is here, all the way in the front. Look at these beautiful girls right here. And look at these bikes. Look at that, all the way there. Yeah. We got the dual flag today. Me and yeah. Let's go. Look, everybody. Hey, what's up? Everybody got one flag. We got two flags. Let's show them. Let's show them. I'm gonna show them right here. Yeah, that's up, buddy. Look at that. I got this bike. I got the 1300 and two flags right here. Two flags. You got two flags too, right?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, Chicago United, a big one right here. Let's go, buddy. One of these flags. Bring one. Let's go.
Yeah, Dilbert! How does it feel, brother?
Yeah, we got Chicago United flag right here and an American flag right here. Two flags.
Yeah, buddy.
Happy 4th of July, guys. 250th. Hey, look, Shaquille is here. What's up, buddy? How's it going, dude? Oh, gee, what's going on, buddy? Oh, you're not gonna miss the 4th of July, right? Yeah. Woo! It's gonna be a fun ride, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful ride today. Look at that, the bikers are coming in. Look at that. Amanda's putting sticker on his face. Let me see.
All right, Dilbert. Let's see how we look.
Already looking good.
There you go. Woo! All right.
Yeah,
Almost. Damn, you zoomed in.
Looking good.
it's
God
special
bless
to me
America.
on the 4th of July for all of us to come together to have this awesome ride. We're going to have a lot of cool stuff going on tonight. We're going to be riding all in a big group. I don't know if you guys paid attention. For the armbands, if you see them going one way, probably go that way unless it's into the back of a squad car. Don't go that way.
USA! USA!
USA! USA! USA!
Unless the cops come, then I'm going on like this.
Australia boys, ready to go! We are in Chicago Southside. We're gonna have fun over here. We are going to have fireworks. So I'm gonna find who's doing fireworks here. Let's check out the bikes. They're crazy. It's just gonna get crazy. Who's doing fireworks? Are you doing the fireworks?
We're doing the fireworks.
All right there. All right there. All right there. Woo. Right there. Somebody's doing it. What's up, Magloob? All good, buddy. All good, dude. All good. It's crazy. Yes. Yeah, look us up on Chicago United Riders.
Chicago United Riders.
Yeah. They're parking in there? Yeah, might as well. Alright, we stopped here at Southside of Chicago. We're taking a break. Let's check it out. There's Sharon right here. There you go.
Fucking fourth, y'all. Y'all better behave. If you don't behave,
yeah, you gotta say, where's Fez? Where's Fez? Alright, let's find him. We just stopped here. A lot of riders today. A lot of riders. Hey guys.
Then I skated the ball, but went on tour. I came back in this plane. Same rapper, the same. The flow, y'all jacking out.
I don't know where he at. Hey, you seen Faz anywhere? The guy. Is that him over there in the cowboy hat? Probably. Oh, there you go. There you go. I've seen. Yeah. Everybody knows Faz. Everybody knows Faz.
what the hell?
Curtis. Curtis is crazy. Sometimes. He's a wonderful guy. I got all these plates. Yeah, we found a raccoon on the road and we just tied it up. That's what happened. That's the real story. Huh? Look at this raccoon. Alright guys, this is the end of the ride. We'll see you at the next ride. Look at this beautiful view of Chicago. Right there. Beautiful. Alright, see you at the next ride. Don't forget to subscribe and like.